Hi, it's Robert again. This time I have a Ford Expedition Limited, and I like to talk a little bit about the air filter, what I just installed in it. It's a K&N air filter. I bought it from eBay, and I really like the sound what's coming from under the hood, and I'll show you in a minute, and let me know if you guys like it too. I'll first walk outside and I'll show you under the hood the filter what I just installed. Okay, this is the K&N filter. It comes with everything. You just have to take the factory air filter, take it off, and you just have to bolt it in. Now if you guys have any question how to do it, you can comment or subscribe, and I can get to you. Just let me know. I paid for this K&N filter. It was $280 from eBay, and let's go for the ride. Okay, here we go. Man, I like it. I better slow down before cops gets me. Wow. I love it. Really enjoyed this car. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.